I got the bolts for the broken piece, and yeah, got them gold too, cause you know I'm balling. And today we're gonna be taking the bike apart, cause we're gonna be painting the frame. We'll be painting the frame, you know, this nice purple. You gotta paint it over chrome, and we got some clear. So I don't think we're gonna be installing this today, cause I'm gonna be taking stuff apart from the bike. Okay, kind of got one off. All right, this is literally what's holding the whole top part in. Now I gotta take these out. We got some changes of plans. We're gonna do it outside because lighting is better, and I can utilize this table right here. Hopefully it doesn't start raining on us, because if it do, it's not gonna look pretty good. Get the bucket. We need the bucket. Most important of them all. Look what the bike did to it, man. Okay, we're on the bucket. I'm gonna have to take these out. Milwaukee is decent. It's good. Yeah, this is the broken bolts. If they remember, yeah, I kept all this stuff here. Me just looking for a bit here. Okay, secure the bag. Now we find our tools. I'm gonna open. Oh, okay. Fun fact: all these bolts are from 2005 Dodge Ram dash. I just kept the bolts. There you go. Soon to be replaced. It was actually a nice color before the sun faded it. You already got some rustage, usage, wearage. Don't mind that. It's fine. Here's my kill switch. I'm gonna have to cut all that and do all that. Cut this. Oh yeah. Okay, let's take this tank off. Okay, putting everything in there. Let me just check the preview on the GoPro real quick, because hopefully I'm catching all this. So, ow, fucking bike hit me in the head. It should come off. Hello? Why are you not coming off? Sir, please leave. Oh. Came off. What do I do? Guess we're gonna be spilling some gas. Believe me, I have the right tool right here. Finally. So this connects to this. Let me cut this. Okay, that's out. Wow, that's dirty. You gotta do this type of stuff very carefully, you know, so you don't break any. I don't want to jinx myself like I did last time. Yeah, I put all these here. I was just trying to tighten things up, you know, make them tidy. Oh yeah, that bolt's stripped. And I'm gonna be. Oh my! That just fell on top of my phone. I'm gonna put this little bolt back on here, because it's not necessary to like put it away. The black with the white stripe is on the right. Wiring harness is out. Put that aside. This is the little commander box. I don't know how it's still going, but it is. This one's important. This one goes Leave that connected. I'm gonna take this one out though. Oh, other way. Alright guys, sanding right here. Sanding is being done. And I'm gonna take the shock off. I'm gonna see what I can do with this shock to paint it, make it look nice. But yeah, it's looking good right now. I'm just gonna put you guys on the head. And I'm gonna take this shock right here off. Alright. Bolts for the shocks. I don't know. I gotta switch that up later. Got no suspension. So we could slam it like that. Imagine. Slammed. Alright, I'm gonna do some more sanding. Get back to you guys. Alright, everything is sanded. Look how much paint is on the floor down there. Look. But yeah, gotta wipe it down. But now we're gonna work on taking all these stickers off this tank.
Wait, you want a cooked meal with that too?
What's a 3-course meal?
Half-ass nation. Well, we do everything wrong. Everything's fine. Jesus.
Bro, painting is the worst thing in the world.
We're gonna need. We're gonna need.
You gotta let it dry and then put like about 10 fucking layers.
We're gonna need some.
Even that won't cover it.
We're gonna need some Bondo.
Cause at a certain point, it's just gonna start dripping.
We're gonna need Bondo.
Fine grip, bro. And just
Stop! No. Go back. Stop.
It's like some fucking homeless guy type shit.
Yo, but I think the clear coat is gonna help some of it.
Nah, even a homeless guy would have better fucking standards than this.
Yeah. It did help, remember? It did help.
Yeah.
But not that much. It's not gonna help that much. You're spraying it on like it's bed liners. Oh, we should have done that.
Bed line?
This fucking bed liner was already at. That would have been good fun.
You guys should have been talking to
I don't even know how to do that.
You just get water, spray paint, and dip it.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's already dripping, bro. Chill.
Where?
Right here.
The most fucked up place.
You gonna put on 4 coats on the same time? Or you
Gotta
gonna-
get down low.
Just lay it right under it.
Bro, you're gonna use all of it on that. You still got the frame, buddy.
Why doesn't he just do it like a camo?
What do you mean
Purple
camel?
and then just fucking spots of fucking chrome.